Welcome to Spark Talk English Podcast.
Today's topic is talking about girls in English, using polite and respectful words.
Let's begin.
Hi.
Hello.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Are your friends girls or boys?
Mostly girls.
Nice. Girls are very supportive.
Yes, they are.
Do you like talking with girls?
Yes, I feel comfortable.
Girls are good listeners.
That's true.
Are girls good at studies?
Yes, many girls are.
I respect confident girls.
Confidence is important.
Do you like confident boys?
Yes, confidence matters.
Girls today are independent.
Yes, times have changed.
I like polite girls.
Politeness is good for everyone.
Talking respectfully is important.
I agree.
Polite words help.
Confidence helps too.
Thank you for this talk.
Keep learning English.
See you soon.
Bye.